All right, let's talk about proposal personalization, Iron Man style. Imagine Iron Man walking into a fight with a random suit. No upgrades, no tuning, no custom settings. That's exactly what most sales teams do with proposals. They take one template, change the logo, change the name, hit send, and hope. But buyers notice. They feel generic, they feel misunderstood, and deals slow down. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, proposals adapt automatically. Moksy helps to create stunning landing pages for free without any coding skills, and it's free. Industry-specific language, role-based priorities, objection handling sections, budget framing, even tone adjusted. Each buyer gets a proposal that feels built for them. So ask yourself, are you sending documents or making decisions easy?